This is extremely light. There's probably like maybe 2 items in here. It's been a weird thing for the hype boxes recently. We haven't gotten like a pair of shoes in forever, and I can almost guarantee you that there's no shoes in here. So yeah, it's been kind of weird, but still a lot of fun, and it's been cool getting just clothing. You know, it's a lot different than the beater boxes that we do, in which it's all shoes. So I'm not really that upset at all that the hype boxes are mainly clothes, you know, so that's cool. Anyway, for this video, it will be a $750 Hypebeast mystery box from Soul Steals. We're also going to be tweaking this video a little bit, so it's going to be interesting, so stay tuned. It's coming up next.
Going the other way. Can I be seen in that from the other day? Virgil just set me a whole different colorway. Please don't be stupid, it's baby and Gunna, and baby he wanted it, so I just swung her. Next time I'm in Dallas, I look for another. You niggas fell off and you never recover.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you once again with another Soul Steals hype box. This hype box is going to be $750, and like I was saying, it's going to be a little bit different what we're going to be doing today. I talked about it in a previous video where we said, what if you sold everything on StockX like instantly in a hype box? Would you actually make money on these things? And so I really thought that was a cool idea, because a lot of people are all about the quick flip these days. You know, you're not looking for super huge profit. You need money back in return because you don't have a huge bankroll. So I get that, but at the same time, I want to show you guys why it's not really a good idea. So we'll take an in-depth look at that through StockX. Everything in the Soul Steals hype box is dead stock, so it makes it really easy to move, but is it the best option? We'll find out. If you guys don't know what Soul Steals is actually a membership website where you pay $20 a month in order to buy things like these hype boxes, buy shoes at like a huge discount, and just buy a whole bunch of other stuff. They got like Adidas mystery pairs up there. They got like mystery shirts and stuff sometimes. They got a whole bunch of daily deals. It's a pretty cool site, man. I would definitely check it out. Link is in the description below. So before we get into this hype box, if you guys have not watched the last 2 episodes, we are actually doing a giveaway once again for something kind of like this. We're going to be giving away a Hypebeast mystery box. All you have to do to enter is go down to the description below, hit that gleam.io link, and there will be like 3+1s over there. You basically click all 3, and then you're entered for 3 different entries into the giveaway. And yeah, the winner will be drawn randomly. There should be like maybe a couple days left by the time this video is posted. So go down to that description, click that link. It takes maybe like 10-20 seconds at most. Well worth it in my opinion. Trying to get back to you guys, man, because it is a lot of fun opening these things, and I'm ready to open up this one. So let's get into it. There is seriously like 3 items in here. Oh, that's so weird, that's so weird. Okay, first item out of the box that we have is a, what is this, a t-shirt? Some kind of t-shirts. It is a Supreme, oh, a long sleeve. Oh, this is kind of cool. You can see over here it says Supreme running down this sleeve over here. Supreme since 1994. I think this might have just came out this past season. It's actually a pretty clean design, man. Very minimalistic, like this. Most of the time Supreme is over the top. But yeah, like we were saying, let's go to StockX right now. Put it up on the screen over here so you guys can see it with me. And we will type in, what is it called again? 1994. Oh, right there already, okay. And we have the navy color. So we'll go down to navy. If we sold this size large right now, as you guys can see, it would only be worth $55 because the discrepancy between the lowest ask, 87, and the highest bid, 55, that's a pretty big gap. And if you look at previous sales, which is up here now, most of them are about 75 to 85, so it makes 0 sense to sell it instantly, you know? You'd be missing out on like $20, $30, so it's better to just wait. Well worth it in my opinion if you wait. Again, wait. You don't want to sell instantly because, yeah, you lose out on 30 bucks. It makes no sense. That's what it would look like if you sold it instantly. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this yet, but maybe I'll put like 2 different counters over here so you can see what the actual competitive market is versus what would it sell for instantly on StockX. I'm not about losing money, so I'm not going to actually sell these things for 55 bucks. Yeah, no, we're not doing that. So that first one is out of the way. What else do we have in here? Second item in the box. What is this? Oh, it's kind of dope, man. So it's a Supreme jersey. And you can see over here, it buttons all the way down, and it also says Supreme. It's got like some kind of Christmas vibes though, man. They use green lettering with this red design. I don't really like that. This is kind of cool. You can see this patch over here, it also says Supreme. This is a size large, and this one is actually called the Vertical Logo Baseball Jersey. So it retailed for $118. Size large, red, and it just came out this past season again. So let's pull up StockX again. So we'll say Vertical Logo. All right, so there's no picture here, but it says red, so I'm assuming this is the one. But we can see that the lowest ask for a size large is 143, and the highest bid is about 120. So again, there's a pretty big gap there. If you look at previous sales, they're actually going for about 140 to 130, so it's not too far off. This one you could kind of instant sell if you want, but again, even if you sold it for 130, you'd be missing out on $10 if you took the highest bid straight up. So that's why you gotta wait on these things a little bit. Like you can see this guy has a post for 143 on there. If you just hold over there for long enough, somebody will buy it. That's the main thing, man. So Main thing is just post and then be patient. Like, you'll make a lot more money by being patient. It's well worth it. All right, and before we get into this last piece, the money piece of the box, which I saw it already, it's pretty money. I want to let you guys know that hype boxes, from what I can tell, they're not designed to make you super rich, okay? If you use sell instantly on everything for StockX, you will not make a shiz ton of money. It just doesn't work like that. Hype boxes are more meant to build your collection at lower values. When you get to the $750, $1,000, even the $2,000 range, yeah, you'll make probably more return. If you hold things over time though, that's when they can actually raise in value a lot and you might actually make a lot of money. Like, for instance, one of the videos that we did in the past, we got a pair of UNC Off-White Jordan 1s, which is actually right here. We got this in a hype box previously, and I have not touched it, and it's just been sitting on that shelf, and it has been growing in value every single day that I wait. At the time of when we got the box, they were going for about 700 something. Now it's in the upper 800s to almost a $900 range. So you can see that that was maybe about 2 months ago. The value raised by 200 bucks, and that's where you can make the most value, guys. So don't feel rushed to sell. That's the main thing. Anyway, let's take a look at this. It's really funny because this is actually the freaking third time that we got this piece, man. I'm not sure what it is with Soul Steels, but I guess I just am drawn to these Gore-Tex Supreme North Face jackets because this is the third time, and I swear just last video we got this same thing, right? What's going on? I don't get it. I don't get it. But you know, even though it's the third time, I am definitely not complaining because if you guys look on the screen over here, the StockX value of these things are kind of insane, man. It's kind of insane. So as you guys can see, if we pull up a size large, you guys can see that the lowest ask is $875 and the highest bid is $756. So that is a huge, huge difference. That's $120 difference. And I mean, if I click sell now, you would get a total payout of $672.84. So $672, which if you paid $750 for a box, you're making almost your entire money back. Plus those other two items, it looks like you'll make maybe a little bit of money, but not as much as if you just waited. So that's my key thing on this, guys. Like, because I see it in the comments all the time, these hype boxes are not worth it. You're not making any money after all of these sales and returns. That's true if you use sell now. So if you actually just wait though, and you just wait for these prices that the competitive market value is actually at, or just wait until they rise in value over time, you'll be making a lot of money, okay? So that's the difference between what some people will say, okay, I'm gonna quick flip all of these, no, versus I'm gonna look at these as long-term investments and you know it's well worth it in my opinion. So that's what I'm trying to get at with this video, man. Like, because I'm just tired of hearing, okay, you're not making any money with these boxes, Soul Steels is a rip, yada, yada, yada. No, it's not. It's really not. I'm not in a big rush to sell. I can understand if your bank account is very, very low, then yeah, you wanna try to move everything really fast. But if your bank account is super, super low, I don't think hype boxes are for you. You should probably be selling one item at a time versus trying to buy in bulk and then sell that way. It's just, that's how it is. You got to be able to hold these items for a while, and then that's when you get huge returns. So for the people that are hating and they're saying, okay, no, it's dumb, you're not making any money, just stop doing this stuff, pump the brakes, guys. That's not the case at all, okay? It's been very, very profitable, but it's been profitable from a long-term perspective. As you guys can see with those UNC ones, still sitting on them, made an extra 200 bucks. So it's worth it when you think of it like that. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little bit different. I showed you guys on screen what it would look like if you did, so you guys could see the two different prices of what happens if you click sell now versus what happens if you wait. I like the waiting aspect. I think when you guys see those final valuations, you guys like the waiting aspect as well. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Should we do more videos like this where you guys see the sell now versus the competitive market pricing of these things? I don't know, I kind of liked it. It was kind of cool to see how big of a difference and how big of a gap there is between people that are impatient versus people that are patient. So let me know what you guys think. I'm open to suggestions. I love hearing you guys' thoughts. Anyway, don't forget to enter that giveaway as well so you guys can get a free shot at one of these hype boxes so you guys can make some money on these things as well. But until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots.